Hello, my name is Petra Wolkenstein and I'm the founder of Konsultori. While my background is from buying and selling companies in the tech field, I've been working with startups and investors for more than 10 years to get startups funded and focusing their strategy. I do this in various roles. This is in one-on-one advisory with startups and investors, or in trainings, because we believe that many need the expertise and the knowledge transfer needs to be fast. This is why I have been training startups in Europe and Africa in collaboration with partners like accelerators in the Baltics, the UK and the German-spoken area, as well as with entrepreneurship programs from CEE to South Africa. By now, we have trained and worked with more than 7,000 startups, generated for them more than 50 million in funding and additional revenue. Over time, my roles have evolved. I am general partner of the Startup Wise Guys Africa Fund, negotiation and strategy expert for investors, universities and startup academies. And I'm the proud winner of the Global Startup Award in the category Ecosystem Hero of the Year 23. But most importantly, I have learned to explain complex topics in clear and digestible pieces. And I'm convinced training needs to come from people who are implementing every day and who would support you in your next steps. I'm looking forward to guiding you through our trainings. Welcome on the fast track.